So in this video I will discuss how we can use a Chrome driver manager library instead of providing the executable path to the Chrome driver.exe file while running a Selenium Python file. We no longer need to install a Chrome driver.exe file and give its executable path. So in this video what we are going to use is the Chrome Webdriver manager. So let me show you the documentation. So it says it is compatible with Python 4.1 and later versions, Selenium 4.1 or later versions, and it is compatible with Python 3.7 and later versions. So before Python 3.7, what we were used to do is to provide an executable path of the Chrome driver exe file. We need to install Chrome driver and then put it and put the executable path here. But after Python 3.7, what we can do now is, as it says, you need to download the Chrome driver manager. Before, you need to download the Chrome driver binary and unzip somewhere on your PC and set the path to its driver like this. But it's boring. Moreover, every time a new version of the driver is released, so what was happening whenever the new version of Chrome driver was released, what we used to do is to delete this Chrome driver exe file and update it with the new Chrome exe file. But after the release of Webdriver manager, we no longer need to install chrome.exe file, and what we can simply do is just we need to install Webdriver manager through this command, pip install Webdriver manager, and then we can simply import Selenium. From Selenium import Webdriver, and then in the next line from Webdriver manager.chrome, I am using Chrome driver, so you can use Firefox or Edge, it's up to you, as it also has documentation. In this documentation, use with Chrome, use with Chromium, use with Brave, use with Edge, whatever you want to use. But for this demonstration of this video, I will only show you the Chrome. So let's continue from here. From selenium.webdriver.chrome.service, I will import a service object and then import a timestamp. Then I will give them options similar to the previous. And now the service, I will create a service variable, and then inside that service I will use this method of Chrome driver manager.install to install a latest Chrome exe file. It will automatically install and update its path in this driver. So now let's run the script and see if it's worked as expected. As you can see, I have uncommitted this line. I have commented out this line, and I am only using this Chrome Webdriver manager. I think I need to use my env file. Let's navigate to this folder and then run python test.py. I need to activate the virtual environment. Amazing. So this is working as expected. So now after Python 3.7, we no longer need to install a Chrome driver.exe file each time. So, and there is no need to provide an executable path. We can simply install it using Chrome driver.manager, and it will automatically provide its path using these methods. Thank you so much for watching the video, and and do not forget to subscribe.